The WEP 926LED V3 Soldering Station is a comprehensive soldering kit that includes essential tools such as solder wire, multiple soldering tips, tweezers, and a desoldering pump, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Its compact design integrates the soldering iron holder directly onto the station's body, saving valuable desk space without compromising on safety due to its temperature-resistant materials. Equipped with advanced temperature control, this soldering station allows precise adjustments between 392 and 896 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent performance and smooth soldering results. The built-in sleep mode function reduces wear on the soldering tips and heating element by lowering the temperature when not in use, thereby extending the service life of the equipment. Users can conveniently switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature units, which is particularly helpful for following tutorials from different regions. Backed by a 1-year USA technical support, the WEP 926LED V3 offers reliable assistance and peace of mind for users operating within the specified voltage range.